5 tips how to get rich, clever financial strategies to help you make millions. 5 clever financial strategies to help you build wealth. While there's no guaranteed path to riches, these strategies can significantly boost your financial prospects. Invest in yourself, continuous learning, dedicate time to acquiring new skills and knowledge. This can lead to career advancements and higher earning potential. Networking, build strong relationships with people in your industry. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Diversify your income streams, side hustles, explore part-time jobs, freelancing, or starting a small business to supplement your primary income. Passive income, invest in assets that generate income without requiring significant effort, such as rental properties, dividend stocks, or online courses. Strategic investing, long-term perspective, focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gains. Dollar cost averaging, invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions, to reduce the impact of volatility. Diversification, spread your investments across various asset classes to minimize risk. Mindful spending. Budgeting, create a budget to track your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Avoid lifestyle inflation, resist the urge to increase your spending as your income grows. Emergency fund, build a savings fund to cover unexpected expenses, reducing the need to rely on debt. Seek professional advice. Financial advisor, consult with a qualified financial advisor to create a personalized wealth building plan. Tax planning, work with a tax professional to minimize your tax liability and maximize your after-tax returns. Remember, building wealth takes time, discipline, and a long-term perspective. By implementing these strategies and staying committed to your financial goals, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success.